Un, dos, y un, dos, tres, y...
Hey everybody, it's Dave from Organized Confusion Drones. Well, we're here in Dominican Republic, just outside of Puerto Plata at the IBEROSTAR Costa Dorada. Very nice family, all-inclusive hotel. It's about 27 years old, 498 rooms and 18 suites. It's got a very nice beachfront. So let's have a look. We'll walk around this place and see what you think. So if you do have some mobility issues, just so you know, all the blocks have 3 floors, no elevator, a lot of stairs. Things I like and don't like about this hotel room. Very comfortable king-size bed. That's definitely a like. Very limited spots if you want to charge in the room. It's same as Home 110, but there's only one spot here, one spot in the bathroom, and there's one in the far corner over by that bed. That's a dislike. Nice rain shower head in the bathroom. That's a like. This bar on the edge of the balcony. Not a like. It's right at eye level. Well-stocked minibar. Always a like. A really weak AC. Doesn't get that cold in here. And very confusing controls that really don't seem to do anything. That's a dislike. Drying rack on the balcony? That's a big like. Really nice TV, that's a like. Really bad controls, that's a dislike. Towel art on the bed, always a like. No key card, just use this band to open your door, that's a like. But a dislike, this floppy cardboard. Make up the room, don't make up the room. Hanging on here, it always blows out in the hallways. That's a dislike. So this is a really cool thing that IBEROSTAR's kind of taken the initiative to. So many resorts are using way too much plastic water bottles. So what they've come up with is this glass bottles in your room. And you come down, not far, everyone has one on their floor, where you fill up your water bottle and take it back to your room. Very responsible. Can't beat that. This is exactly the reason why IBEROSTAR has implemented their banning of plastic water bottles. There's one section of this beach here just littered with bottles. So if you're looking for the two pool tables and the foosball, they're located just outside of the main lobby, right next to the theater, which is just over here. You have to go to the front desk, get the cues, and you're good to play. So on the property they have, this area is beautiful. They grow orchids here. Given the fact that there's only one pool at this resort, you got to be up pretty early to be able to grab a spot. They definitely go quick. The beach at this resort is really nice. Very long. If you're facing the water and you go to the left, you can only go a short way to that little point. But if you walk to the right, it's a very long walk. You can make it down, we've been told 5 kilometers. So we walked it yesterday, it was really nice. Interesting spots where you can see how the water is different, not as wavy. Water temperature here is high 70s, and you don't need water shoes if you're swimming out front of the resort. Really nice sandy bottom, no issues. When you're facing the water to the right of the resort, you'll find the aquatic center, where the dive center, you can take out a Hobie cat and some kayaks. So on the right side of the resort, you'll find the dive shop. Looks like they have a lot of nice dive sites. I haven't dove here, but just looking at their schedule, looks pretty good. 2 tank dives, leaves in the morning, back around 1. So this section of the beach is exclusive for the club members. If you're facing the water, it's to the right of the hotel. It's very nice. Lots of palapas, lots of seating. You can get some shade. Further down past the lifeguard tower that's for the regular guests. Swimming down that area is very nice. Sandy bottom, great spot. Unfortunately, out front of the star area, not so nice. A lot of seagrass, a lot of erosion. Can't swim here.
Yo corté mis venas porque no comprendía.
So that was our look at the IBEROSTAR Waves Costa Dorada in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Man, I wish I was there, but now this is not sand behind me. It was an enjoyable hotel, family resort, really nice, good size, great beach. Weather was always good. It's 30 and sunny is the typical Dominican weather. Food was good at the resort. Drinks at some of the bars were a little bit weak, but the beer was tasty, so you can't go wrong there. I would return to that resort. It was really nice. And the staff, man, they have a really good team there. They just seemed to all click. We had no issues. Everybody went out of their way to help you, and just so you had a great time. So I think I would definitely return, even though it was a family resort and most of the stuff I've been doing is adults only. That one was really nice. I would definitely go back there. And I would go back there now too, because I'm freezing. Thanks very much, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this one. Glad you came along. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That really helps. And subscribe if you like the channel. We're going to come up with a few more. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.